And so really at the core is safe food and safe people. From there, it's like the rings of a tree. And so then if you're in a ring supporting safe food and safe people, then your role would be reporting to that group, so to speak. So it's kind of a reverse mentality of a typical pyramid. And on the very outside is the role of vision, mission, values, which really is kind of like the bark holding the whole tree together and making sure that that really is pervasive throughout the whole organization. Because the thing is, they're the most important people here. I'm the least important, right? And that's until you help people truly understand that I believe that to be true. And that comes to the fact that we don't have the reserve spaces. We're all coming through the same door. You know, we're all wearing uniforms. I can't wear my wedding ring because they can't wear theirs in the bakery, right? So it's all about just being real with people because, again, life's too short. And so why not be real with people and establish real, true relationships with them, not just some transactional employee-employer relationship.